Good afternoon na. Good morning. Wala pa tayong lipstick. Luspad pa tayo. It's Tuesday. And we are on our way to Ruth's parents' place because he will pick up Anna. And then, hatid niya ako doon because I'm going shopping with his mama. We're going to Germany. Kasi sabi nila, or they said, that it's way cheaper in Germany.
Yeah, some things, eh?
Yeah.
Like
Cosmetics, booze, yung mga ganyan. So, maghahanap ako. Kasi po, first time ko actually later, if I can find stuff there, it's gonna be my first time to buy makeup here.
Yeah? We buy the Muji
No, it's not
from
makeup.
Germany.
No, it's not makeup.
It's not makeup, okay.
Skincare. I mean makeup. But yeah, we'll buy makeup and chocolates.
Chocolade.
Yeah. Chocolate. Yeah. So, kita-kita later. Pick upin muna namin si Anna. Hopefully, di siya irritable. His mama said she slept well and then she's napping now. So that is good. Weather's not so nice. Hindi siya maulan, but then it's gloomy. See? So, see you later na lang, no? Yeah, but yesterday was really fun. Fun? Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was nice. Yeah, malaki pa. Nilagyan ko ng cream, yung galing sa Pilipinas. Nakalimutan ko anong pangalan. Pero dito pa rin siya. Wow, ganun talaga. Malapit na kami. Dito na kami sa nilaban na tutulog si Ana. We are leaving now. We're going to Germany. Kami lang. Here we go.
Hello.
We will drive around Europe today. How long is the drive?
70 kilometer.
70 kilometer. So, misschien in
1 hour.
anderhalf uur? Anderhalf?
Yes,
1 hour.
1 hour.
So, the thing is, I don't have 4G. So, pag kami ang naligaw, wala eh. But muy weird. Bandak, so it's good.
Yeah.
So, yeah, kita-kita na lang later.
Oude Kleefsebaan. Daarna rechts afslaan.
Gelderland.
K44. Ga links op de rotonde. Tweede afslag.
Good.
Yeah.
And she has to pay 10 euro.
We are here sa isang shopping area sa malapit sa border. So, we're already here. I'll try if I can film inside. Maybe it's allowed or not. We'll see. See you there. So, kakain muna kami. Ayan. Chicken sandwich. Ito yung in-order na half lang kami. Sprite lang ako and then coffee siya.
No mask.
Yeah, we're not used to it anymore.
No, what?
So, kakain lang kami. It's Macaulay Conics. Shopping begins. Oh. So, dito, kailangan pa rin mag-mask. Ang cute. Pero mahal man siya. So, I won't buy. I'll just buy in. Sa amin na lang ako bibili kasi mas mura yata ang clothes ba. So, nasang ibang shop na kami. May damage na kami, ah. Dito na.
Oh, security.
Yeah. Pupunta kami dyan kasi mura daw ang mga makeup. Are you gonna buy makeup too, Connie?
No, I'm too old.
Yeah, for bath and
Yeah.
yeah, shower.
Yeah.
I think shoes there. Ooh.
Oh,
So,
very cheap.
we haven't really started what we came for.
Yeah.
Oh, I can already see the makeup. Shopping na this. So, it's really nice, oh. Inside the shop, you can change your baby actually. Not for display, but you can actually change your baby here. Diba? So, easy for the moms if you shop with your kids. Ayan. Dito na lahat. Diaper bin as well. Diapers if you need. And ito. Amazing. So nice. So far, ito na yung nasa loob. Ito na yung binili ko. Nasa ano pa kami. Kids na ano, section. It's a big place. I can stay here for one day, I think. Wala pa kami sa makeup. Dito pa kami sa pang baby. So yeah, it's true. It's really much cheaper here. Ang ano nang diferensya ng mga bilihin dito eh. Yeah, not all stuff though, but yung mga kinuha ko yung talagang mahal sa Netherlands ba. Usually. Funny is that ano kami, walay kami. So, mga 1 hour plus na kami dito. Andito pa rin kami. Puno na ang aking basket. Kasi po, mas mura dito. Grabe na dyan eh. Tapos, malapit na kami matapos. Puno ang among basket kami duha. So, ito na ang damage namin. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, may ganig. Hatag akong mascara. Oh, moy. And then, mask. It makes it more difficult, but yeah. Just to be safe. So, never kong sasabihin kay Ruth magkano ang...
Never.
Sabi ng mama ni Ruth, di ko daw sabihin kung magkano ang bayaran ko ba. I will never tell Ruth. Now, normally, he doesn't ask. Yeah, I normally tell him, but today I will never tell him.
You forgot.
Support po. Dami na binili namin. So, go na, go! So, guys, nag-leak yung aking nilagyan ko na lang ng tissue. Nag-leak yung, na-open yung isang bottle ba. Masaya naman. Nalingaw ko ba. Nag-enjoy ako na mag-shopping kasama yung mama and first time namin na mag-shopping na. Kami lang talagang dalawa yung nag-shopping talaga ba. Kasi minsan pag bumibili kami doon sa center namin, mga ano lang naman. 1, 2 piraso ganyan. Dito, yung maramihan talaga kasi ano naman, mura dito ba. So kung bumili ka, damihan mo na lang kasi mas mura po. Yung mga binili ko, yung price is half or more yung presyo. Like example, yung knife na bath oil, yung para sa bath ni Ruth. Normally, pag bumibili ako doon sa amin, 10 euro po siya. So mga almost 600 pesos yung isang bottle. But then, dito, 3 euro lang siya. Almost 4 euro. So, ang laki ng diferensya. So, yeah. Punta na kayong Germany pag gusto nyong bumili ng mas mura. I'm not sure if mas mura siya compared to other European countries, but for sure, mas mura siya kaysa Netherlands. But not all products naman. Yeah. Kami sa Aldi. Alis na kami. 4 hours. We've been here for 4 hours. And ngayon lang kami natapos. Nag-ano pa siya doon, nag-coffee. Bumalik kami doon sa kinainan kanina. And then, yeah. Nagbaon kasi ako ng tinapay. Ito na nagkakainin namin. So, alis na kami. Kita-kita doon sa Skindle. Hello, bahay na kami. Tapos namin kumain. Yan yung papa at mama ni Ruth. May ano, hot air balloon. Hot air balloon, Dok?
Yeah.
Yeah. So may nakasakay doon. Ayan, di lang makita, no? So may nakasakay. Yan, you can hear it. It's really loud, yeah. Dodong, do you want to join my haul? Nagpupo pa si Ruth. So, ito na yung lahat ng nabili namin. Medyo napasubo tayo today. But, basically, all of the stuff that I have here are way much cheaper dito sa Netherlands. So, ito siya. Let's start with this one. Ito. 750 ml siya. This is only €2 plus. 2.4 euro. €2.40. Ito. So, barato siya, no? I'm not sure how much this is in the Philippines, but this is cheap. Cheaper than here in the Netherlands. Konti. This one. Because when I went to Action, I saw one which is like $2.99, I think. But this one is $2.40. So, yeah, malaki na. Malakihan na. Tapos, ito din, same price. May gumamela. Ito, this is for Anna. Ano lang to? €2 plus. €2, I think. Milk lotion pang baby. Dalawa yung kinuha ko. Kasi nga, ano siya. Barato ba? And this one, 3-in-1 na siya. Shampoo and baby wash na siya. Extra mild. Oh, so, yeah. For Anna's babath. Lotion din. Kani siya because when we came here, Anna had rashes pag-arina mo. So, I bought a cream for her. Kay medyo sensitive at young skin at that time. But I bought one for €16 and this one is only €3. €3 kapin or 4 euro. So, dako kay different siya. Bisaya naman ko eh. It's a big difference. Kasi ako nito, €1 lang to. Oh, di, 99 cents man siguro ni. Pang liha sa tail. And this one, I'm so happy with this one because normally here in the Netherlands, if magpalit mo yan sa crowd ba, this is like €10. Dito, almost €4 lang. So, €3 plus. Naku kay difference. You know? So, if I thought na if ever you wanna go there, might as well just buy in bulk or in bigger quantities, no? Para mas makasave ka. Kay anyway, I buy this one for Ruth. Kay he likes this one. He likes taking a bath. So this one is for massage. This is not for bath. And then apat yung kinuha ko. Ito siya ibang scent naman siya. And ito siya, barato lang din siya. I'm not exactly sure how much it was, but pretty sure this is around, di ko sure ha, but I think this is like between 7 to 9 euros here. But this one I got for, I think €4. So, nakong different siya. Let's see, babe. Kung magkano, babe. Okay, akong kuwan, guys. Akong resibo. Let's find Garnier. Oh, nay! Oh my God! It's only €3. €3.90, €3.25. Oh, hala, uy. Hala, amazing man yun. Kani siya is only €1. Oh my God. Buang. Yeah, it's even much cheaper than I thought.
High five, wow.
Anna's the douche buang? Yeah. The gel for Anna or for bath?
Yeah.
It's €1.90.
That's cheap, yeah.
Yeah. Hala, uy, ka-amazing, Ani, uy.
Told him he has shoes too today.
Oh, not yet. Ani, dari, pakita, dari. Oh yeah, this one is, I checked this price in the Netherlands is €11. But there it's €8 plus.
In the Philippines, it's really expensive.
Yeah, the small one is like 700 pesos, no? How much
Yeah.
is that? 700 pesos is like 12 euro. Yeah, this one is 260 ml. Yeah. And this one is €1 plus, and in the Netherlands
one
it's
is-
€5.
Yeah, that one is popular, yeah.
I'm not sure how much you buy this one, the Nivea Men in Kruidvat, but Nivea Axe. Oh, it's okay, but €2.
That's cheap.
Huh?
That's cheap.
I was thinking it's €5, but it's for 2.
Yeah.
So, wala barato ra jud ay siya, no? Ang Axe kay, oh my god, €2 ba? This one is €2.
How many milliliters or?
This is 400 ml,
400?
and I have 2 pieces.
You sure?
Yeah.
Hier de promo bij Kruidvat. 4 from 150
Yeah.
ml for €10.
This is 400 ml,
Yeah, so
and then it's €2.
yeah, it's really cheaper.
I spent a lot, but I'm quite happy with the purchase because if we bought all of these in the Netherlands, I'm not sure how much it's gonna be like. I bought Nivea day cream and night cream. I've been using that since I got here. So yeah, itong Carefree, super happy ako nito kasi ito yung ginagamit ko sa Pilipinas. But then this one, 56 pieces, and it's only €1 plus. So how much is €1 in the Philippines? 56?
Yeah.
And it's almost 100 pesos, I think.
57.
Almost €2, so almost, I think almost 100. I'm not sure how much it is in the Philippines, but it's really cheap here. Oh, there. So yeah, yun yung mga, pakita ko naman sa inyo siguro. Ito, bumili akong ito, kumuha akong 2 kasi barato lang siya. So might as well buy more, no? I also bought makeup. This one, I saw in Kruidvat ba? This cream is almost €20.
Yeah.
I'm not exactly sure, but 20, 16, between 16 to €20. That, 9
Yeah.
€9.
No.
Ay, ginoo. And then lipstick. This one, the shade, hindi ko na ipakita sa inyo yung shades. Talcato yung kinuha ko. And then each is, I thought she forgot to scan my concealer. Kuya, hello. Uy, really buang. It's really cheap buang. This is €4 though.
Oh,
It's really expensive here.
yeah.
Wala, na-amaze ko ba? Itong mascara is the same mascara that I've been using. Ito. Yung sa Mega Volume ng L'Oreal. Wala, amazing. Baba, it's not even €9. It's €7.
Good deal.
Yeah. Ooh, €7. Agoy ka, amazing. Ang mascara, mas mahal pa sa kung kuan foundation. And then I also bought this one from Catrice. I'm not familiar, pero let's try this out. I got 2, and I'm pretty sure this one's for €2. Mas mahal pa yung ibang makeup dun sa sa Pilipinas na binibili ko dati ng mga local na local na brands. And also, ito siya, €2 lang to. $1.99. Pang medyo malamig na. Ito, pwede rin pang summer. And this is only 5, I think 5 euros. Maganda yung kulay. And also, si Ruth, hindi kami magkasama kanina kasi nakita niyo, kasama ko yung mama ni Ruth. Si Ruth bumili ng mga sapatos kasi nag-sale yung Scapino. And how much, supposedly, you'd have to pay for all of it? €200?
For what?
For all the shoes. €200. 210?
Yeah, for 6. Yeah, 6 pairs.
6 pairs. Bumili siya ng 2 pairs for himself and then 4 pairs para sa akin. 4 pairs para sa akin. So siya? How much did you pay to doon? €30?
Yeah, 30
Yeah.
euros.
Kasi parang na yung location nila ba? Mag-relocate sila. So parang dapat ma-dispose nila yung lahat ng items ba? So ayun. Sabi niya kanya, tumawag siya kanya while I was in Germany. And tumawag siya, sabi niya, anong size mo ngayon? Kasi nga, parang first time niya, unang beses niya yata akong binila ng sapatos. Parang unang beses pa. But yeah, 4 na Pero ang pagka-aligay kasi, nakabili na po ako ng ganito. Hindi niya alam na ganito exactly yung kulay na binili niya. may ganito na ako. Pero anyway, maganda rin naman. Pang-reserva ba? Ito. Hindi ko na ipakita, no? Picturean ko na siguro next time. Ito, sobrang gusto ko siya. Ito. Cute kaayo. And slippers as well. Ano sa mali? Oh, nice siya quality. Yeah. I tried these on already and they're comfortable. Medyo magastos yung araw na to, pero I'm super happy with all the purchase because kung dito naman sa Netherlands kami bibili lahat nito, parang mas doble pa yung magkano yung bayaran ko ba. Sabi ko sa kanya, hindi ko sasabihin sa kanya magkano yung sabi niya okay lang daw, muna lang sabihin. Hindi ko wag na kasi baka atakihin ka. Joke. So anyways, it was a fun day with Ruth's mama. Super happy ako kasi nga sino ba namang hindi masaya pagkatapos mag-shopping, no? I said, Papa, who's not happy after shopping?
Me.
Me. Okay lang yan, Dodo, because nasa account ko naman yan. Hindi, kasi may sarili akong account, pero hindi naman po ako hindi ako gumagastos ba. So, I think first time kong talagang mamili today. First time talaga na ganito. Kung ako lang siguro, hindi ako mag-iisip masyado. Oh my God. Ito yung nagastos ko. Pero kung iba kasi nahihiya pa rin ako. Sabi ko sa kanya, nahihiya pa rin ako ba. Kasi wala pa akong trabaho ngayon. Siguro next year, baka mag-start na ako ba. Although, hindi naman siya, hindi naman ako sinasabihin, huwag ka masyadong huwag ka masyadong umastos, ganyan. Hindi naman niya ako pinapakialaman kung ano mga binibili ko, ganyan. Kasi nga, may sariling pera ko na ba, ganyan. Yeah, like I said, it's been a really fun day. Expensive day too. But, yun na yun. Masaya. Sobrang saya kanina kasama yung amsh niya. So yun na yung vlog natin today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did enjoy the video, please give a thumbs up, and sa mga hindi pa nakakapag-subscribe, please subscribe to this channel, and kita-kita na naman tayo sa susunod naming video. Salamat. Mush babush duy. Mush babush dodong.
Ciao, mush babush.
Ciao.